Hey everyone, welcome back. Big news today, EON Reality just launched a game-changing platform called From Learning to Earning, and it could completely transform the way we prepare for careers. Here's the issue. By 2030, 85 million jobs could remain unfilled worldwide because of skills shortages. We'll be short 10 million nurses, millions of cybersecurity experts, and AI roles are growing faster than universities can keep up. That's a $8.5 trillion problem. EON Reality's solution? A platform that takes you from skills straight to income. Instead of just watching lectures, you step into virtual hospitals, cybersecurity labs, smart factories, or green energy sites. You practice in immersive XR environments. So when you step into the real world, you're ready. It includes an AI career compass to map your skills and career path, premium courses in healthcare, AI, cybersecurity, green energy, and more, multi-level certifications employers actually accept, and a system that tracks your salary growth. Graduates are already seeing 25 to 45% increases in year one. Whether you're starting fresh or pivoting careers, From Learning to Earning could be your direct path to opportunity. This is more than education, it's the future of work, and it's here now. Check it out at eonreality.com, and let's turn learning into earning.